So now listen, we've talked a couple of times about apps, and we've talked about we've talked about the company Ethjet. You're going to have to bring in a conversation here. What is Ethjet? Why is this company called Ethjet?
Well, everything that we do really was founded on the blockchain. So ETH is short for Ethereum, the cryptocurrency. So a lot of the proprietary technology that we own and use on the back end is automated on the blockchain. We're utilizing blockchain technology to do a lot of this, as well as our membership. So you can do a membership that is like a lifetime pass that's on the blockchain, or you can do a traditional in-app purchase type membership that's on an annual basis.
Okay, so are you telling me that it can be acquired, the app can be acquired by using cryptocurrency, Ethereum, or by using traditional purchase methods?
Yeah, not the app, but the membership can be acquired. So we offer both. And honestly, not everybody's totally comfortable with it. And that's why we're okay with it. The lifetime membership is definitely the most valuable. And that's why we've set up that our toll-free number for people to call who need help. But yeah, you can set that up and you can pay for that with Ethereum.
Hey, I wanted to ask you a little bit of a question about the growth of the business. Now, in some earlier discussions we had, you told me that the business was really expanding right now, and you were potentially bringing on more operators, more FBOs, more jets. Listen, I know nothing is 100%, but what are kind of your targets, for over the next year or something like that? What are you chasing right now?
Yeah, right now I would say our initial target, and we are definitely on the path to achieve this, is to have 250 aircraft in our system. So our Ethjets fleet by the end of 2023, with a total of 35 jet partners signed up. Again, we've had quite a bit of outside operators reach out to us, say, hey, we love this idea, this concept, because in terms of the operator, we do things different as well. So we're not just changing how the consumer business, works with the app, but on the jet operator partnership side, we do things very different as well, and they're really attracted to that. So
yeah,
it's been great.
Nick, just a few weeks ago, or a little bit longer than not that long ago, I was actually in a meeting with one of the largest business jet operators in the United States, and I don't know, they have 600 or 700 airplanes or something like that, and they said that they're running at about 70% of empty flights when they return. And I'm thinking about that in my head, and I'm like, man, that's like 500 airplanes that are flying around empty. And so I really like what you're doing and what you're trying to pursue right now. And trying to gather those operators and find a way to make those jets available to people. And so that those operators of those jets can make money off of those returns, because basically they're flying those airplanes back, they're paying for gas, and they get nothing. Okay. Sure. And I think what you're doing is just really, really, really incredible. It's really pretty amazing. Really.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it. We had a call yesterday with an operator out of Las Vegas. They said they have, on average, 10 empty legs every single day going back to Henderson, Nevada, just outside of Las Vegas.
Yeah,
so
that's really fantastic. So really, Nick, I think what you guys are doing is really amazing, and I really support it. I've been in aviation almost 40 years, and I've wanted to be more involved in business aviation and flying in jets. And I am really thinking there's a lot of people like me in this industry. And I really believe that what you're doing is you're really addressing, business problems as well as passions that people have. They want to be more involved in that. Let me just ask you a question: is that why are you doing this? What is your passion, Nick? Why would you even get involved in doing something like this?
I mean, for me, obviously I love aviation. It's been in my blood since I was born. I feel like I'm obsessed with it. But then too, I've always had that entrepreneurial spirit, and looking at, man, I feel like there's something missing out there, and I need to find it, right? Because you get paid in proportion to the problems you solve in this world. And I'm like, what problem can I solve that is there? And so I really started digging in, and the more I dug in, I'm like, there's really not like a clean, easy way to do this. And then the ones that are a little bit more organized, they're really expensive. You got to spend $20,000, $30,000 for the membership to get into the club. And then if you want to leave that club, you don't get your money back. Whereas, the way we've structured it a little bit differently. So I found like a real problem, a niche. And I honestly think being outside of the industry, not being in, the Part 135 business aviation world, has allowed me to really, along with my team, I say me, but our team is amazing. We've been able to really bring a fresh perspective that I think hasn't been really thought of, to create something that's really unique, special, it's easy, affordable, and convenient.